These people developed their skills to such an extent, it's hard to imagine what they do when their antics are not captured on film. Today, we'll show you their incredible tricks. Cards can be used in a variety of ways. For example, to light a match, the way this guy does it. Check out his sniper-like precision. Do you know many chefs with such levels of dexterity? This Chinese chef has been blind since birth. Perhaps the secret is in his chef hat. Zach Mueller has shown interest in card magic since he was little, but who could have imagined that he'd reach this level? Moreover, he created a popular deck of playing cards and founded the Fontaine Cards brand, which brings him a six-figure income. And here's an incredible level of throwing anything. Not impressed with throwing cards? How about toothpicks? Or coins? And this is a whole new level of trickery. Is this Dude Perfect 2.0? It seems you can't make it any more perfect, but then… Over a course of a few seconds, you can send a meme to your friends, take a sip of coffee, or smile. But in Japan, a lot more can be achieved in that amount of time. This chef slices the watermelon in just 12 seconds. This woman wraps a gift in 7 seconds. And this guy only needs 6 seconds to fold a tablecloth. If I'm ever approached by 4 thugs in a dark alley who are sitting on top of each other holding wooden boards, this trick will definitely come in handy. You can practice this kick all you want, but you'll never be better than this guy. And this skateboarder rides at a mad speed while being in a wheelchair. Samurai warriors used to use Japanese sword wakizashi for fighting in tight spaces. How the times have changed. Don't even try and tell us you're looking at the balls. And this Chinese gamer has better control of his tongue than most people have of their hands. Here's why houses in India are built so quickly. And here's a sure way to make a woman happy. Just clean the table yourself. The Red Bull racing team made history by changing wheels in only 1.91 seconds during a race in Silverstone. Have you ever seen anyone packaging boxes faster than this woman? Canadian acrobat Troy James can contort his body as if he has no bones. Some of his moves are actually frightening. And this artist can paint with both hands simultaneously. It took her 17 hours and 2 bottles of wine to make this piece of art. What can you do after 2 bottles of wine? This Cuban-American artist called Felix Semper is famous for his sculptures, made from thousands of layers of paper. And this self-taught artist, Sean Yoro, paints on walls, trees, sunken ships, and even icebergs. If you're on a diet, better close your eyes. This fast food and Coke look very appetizing. Hold on a sec, those are cakes! Ben Cullen creates true works of art from edible material. How many of you have managed to solve a Rubik's Cube? This guy took it a few steps further, creating a portrait of Dan Reynolds, the lead singer of Imagine Dragons, from 432 Rubik's Cubes. Here's American race car driver Ken Block drifting. And this is the Guinness World Record for the fastest car on two wheels, 116 miles per hour. And this person is making the product so very slowly. Whoever said that women are the weaker sex? And here's your normal workday of restaurant employees in China.
Nice.
Viola Brand won the national and European championships twice, as well as getting the silver medal in the World Championships 3 times. Next time you open a box of pizza, think about this video.
Pizza time.
And this insane journey across the rooftops of Gran Canaria was performed by Scottish trial cyclist Danny MacAskill. Just over 10 years ago, he left his job as a mechanic to pursue cycling full-time and practiced several hours a day to develop his skill. This guy practiced contact juggling for 5 years, and yet he still has nothing on Po. Have you ever seen artwork made out of tape? How about pencil-lead microsculptures? And this Japanese chef is slicing bluefin tuna, which costs upwards of $1 million, in order to prepare dishes that end up costing. This Shaolin monk set a new record running across water for 125 meters. He was assisted by pieces of plywood joined together. But that's not all he can do. Hang on, can this guy fly? What an incredible flip with a precise landing. And this Aladdin is off on his magic carpet to see Jasmine. Check out the masterpiece you can make with a regular brush. And these sculptures look like the real deal. These are digital drawings by 3D artist Chad Knight. And this is just fascinating. Now you know how photos like these are taken. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.